So you can see here, this is the connection to the city main. Just kind of a little bit of a glue slug that'll kind of wash out over time, not a concern by any means. And this new green stuff is what we repaired, the stuff that was not done before. So the green SDR, you can see the transition. So this dirty stuff is the old liner, and the greens, the bright green stuff is the new stuff that we replaced. That was not, that was the original clay that was not lined before. So everything does look good, completely plastic exterior line now, so no root intrusions, no root blockages, nothing like that we saw at the city main. And then PVC right here in the front yard. This looks good as well. Access points in the front yard, dual sweep cleanouts, and out to the street. All right.